Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Clubhouse event link. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Clubhouse is an audio-only social media platform and it is only available on iPhone right now. This is the home screen of the app. If you scroll down, you will see some rooms where people are talking. Now to see events, you have to tap on the calendar icon at the top of the screen. And here you will see some events which are ongoing and some of which are scheduled. Now let's share this event. Now tap on the event and then tap on share. And here you will see the share window. You can share the event via AirDrop, email, Gmail, Facebook, Messenger, and more. And that's how you can share Clubhouse event link. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.